Here I am talking to the student who are going to give the examinations, competitive examinations like NEET and JEE. And this is the topic projectile motion in a mechanics of a standard 11. We are going to solve the problem on it, and the problem is just before you. So before get started, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a similar type of videos which may help you in a preparation of your examination. So let us begin with the problem. I don't have an interactive board and I am using this traditional way to solve this problem. I hope you just try to understand and get me nicely. So the problem is, there is a relief aeroplane is flying at a height of 1960 meter with a speed of 600 km per hour above the ground towards a point directly over the person struggling in a flood water. There is a person struggling to survive in a flood water. This aeroplane is flying directly to the point which is over that person, and that aeroplane is at height of 1960 meter and speed is a 600 km per hour. I already converted that into the meter per second, and you know, to convert the kilometer per hour into meter per second, we have to multiply the given quantity by the 5 upon 18. I did that. V is equals to 600 kilometer per hour. V is equals to 600 into 5 upon 18 meter per second, and by solving that I get 500 upon 3 meter per second. Now the problem is, at what angle of the sight with the vertical should the pilot release? At what angle of a sight, should the pilot release survival kit? You know, there is a survival kit which may be helpful to that person who is surviving trying to survive in the flood. Pilot has to release that survival kit at a certain angle to the vertical. Now it is asked that at what angle to the vertical pilot has to release that survival kit, so that survival kit can reach directly to that person, and that person don't have to struggle more to get that survival kit. It can reaches directly to that person. Now you know that. Let us consider, when pilot releases that survival kit at an angle of a theta, and if on releasing that survival kit at an angle theta, if the survival kit directly reaches to the person who is trying to survive in that flood, the distance travelled by the survival kit in a vertical direction, let us assume it is a h, which must be equals to the height of that aeroplane above the flood water, and the horizontal distance travelled by that survival kit, let it is equals to the x. Now if we are able to find out the h, actually h is already given. If we are able to find out the x, then we know by using the trigonometry tan theta is equals to x upon h, because you know tan is the ratio of the opposite to the adjacent. By taking this, tan theta is equals to x upon h. If we know x, as we know h, we can find out the theta. Now just we have to find out the x. Now you tell me, you know that motion under gravity, you learn the projectile motion. Acceleration due to gravity is always in a vertically downward direction, and if object is moving just under the motion under gravity, then its vertical downward acceleration equals to the acceleration due to gravity, but the horizontal acceleration must be equals to the 0, because you know that the horizontal component of the acceleration due to gravity is always 0, and as there is no any acceleration acting in a horizontal direction, the horizontal component of the velocity always remains constant. Now you see, aeroplane is moving with the speed of a 600 km per hour. Now if that pilot releases the packet, then packet also travels with the same speed in a horizontal direction throughout its motion, because along the horizontal direction acceleration is a 0. But in a vertical downward direction, speed of the packet must goes on increasing, and it travels the distance of the h to reach to that water surface. Now you see, I just wanted to find out the x, and x can be obtained by doing v into t, because you know distance is equals to speed into time. Now you know the horizontal speed of the packet which is moving, and if you find out the time to reach by that packet or the survival kit to the water surface, you can find out x. Now to find out the time, we can use the equation s is equals to ut plus half of at square, and you know that here s is nothing but the vertical distance which is traveled by that survival kit to reach to the water surface, is equals to initial speed of that survival kit must be equals to 0, because pilot just released that, and therefore we ignore the u into t because u is a 0, plus half of a is nothing but the g, and then there will be t square. So as h is equals to 1 by 2 g into t square must be equals to twice h upon g, and therefore you can write t is equals to under root twice h upon g. Now you can place the values. You can write 2 into h is nothing but height is nothing but the 1960 divided by acceleration due to gravity is nothing but the 9.8, and you can solve this. You know that 9.8 2s are 19.6. So if you just convert this like 2 into 19.60 into 10 to the power 2, because 1960 can be written as 19.6 into 10 to the power 2 divided by 9.8. Now 9.8 2s are 19.6. 2 into 2 is nothing but the 4. Root of the 4 is nothing but the 2 into root of a 10 to the power 2 is nothing but the 10, and therefore your answer must be equals to 20 seconds. So therefore time taken by that survival kit to reach to the flood water is nothing but the 20 seconds. Now during that 20 seconds, a distance traveled by the survival kit in a horizontal direction, x must be equals to v into t. Now speed, horizontal speed of that survival kit is nothing but 500 upon 3, and into time is nothing but the 20. So therefore it will become 10,000, because you know 500 into 20 is nothing but the 10,000 upon 3. So of course you can say now x must be equals to 10,000 upon 3 meter. Now you know that if the angle at which that survival kit is released to the vertical is a theta, this is the combination of the vertical and the horizontal motion. In a vertical direction it has to travel the distance h, and in a horizontal direction it has to travel the distance x, so that it can reach directly to that person who is trying to survive in that flood. And therefore by using trigonometry we can write tan theta is equals to opposite x upon adjacent is nothing but the h. Now opposite x is nothing but the 10,000 divided by 3 upon h. H is nothing but the 1960, and if you calculate all this you will get the answer root 3. Now you know that tan theta becomes root 3. Now as tan theta is equals to root 3, you can say theta must be equals to 60 degree, because you know tan of 60 is nothing but the root 3. So solved. We can say if that pilot releases the survival kit at an angle of a 60 degree to the vertical, going at that particular speed which is given, that packet can reach directly to that person who is trying to survive in that flood and can get help and can survive. So this is the problem which we can solve very easily, and similar type of the videos I am going to upload on this channel. Therefore don't forget to subscribe my channel, so that you can get these videos and may be helpful to you in your examination. So see you soon in the next video with a similar type of the problem, and now have a nice time. Bye bye.